The main challenge is to produce the best possible product quality while keeping costs down for our customers. There are many good international tortilla producers in the world, but we want to make sure that we're out there with the best. I'm Rosemary, and I'm the New Product Development and Continuous Improvement Manager here at Breadcraft. Breadcraft is an 82-year-old family-owned business located in Marsden. We employ over 150 staff and we sell premium bread products to the food service, retail and QSR markets. So the company is currently in a large growth phase. We are selling a lot of product internationally throughout Australia and we're looking to expand further in the future. As a business over 82 years old, we've had to advance with automation, starting with the second industrial revolution and the rollout of mass production lines to where we sit now in Industry 4.0 with the likes of artificial intelligence and just more high-tech automation throughout the plants. So one of the flagship production lines here at Breadcraft is actually our press tortilla plant. The plant is capable of making over 19,000 tortillas an hour. This utilises Industry 4.0 technology and the likes of sensors and vision scanners.
Here's the first stage of the tortilla manufacturing. This is where the dough's been mixed to optimum development.
So the press tortilla plant has multiple sensors throughout. These sensors feed real-time data into our MES system or manufacturing excellence system. This allows us to make on-the-fly adjustments to production and understand how the plant is running.
In this stage here, we're dividing and we're rounding the dough pieces. We have a sensor here. The sensor's reading into the MES system and it's allowing us to see how many dough pieces we're actually producing an hour.
So the data from this MES system, that allows us to capture our OEE score. OEE is built up of 3 subcategories: yield, utilisation and efficiencies. A world-class OEE score is 84% and this line actually manages to achieve that, giving us world-class excellence in manufacturing. This score means that we are able to offer a high-quality product at a low-cost price to our customers throughout New Zealand.
Here we can also see that data being fed onto the MES system. We can see that we're roughly running about 17,000 tortillas an hour. We can see the downtimes being 0, so they're having a very efficient day. We're capturing a lot of other data on here, which will be used to summarise how the shift has run today.
So the data collected from the MES system allows us to monitor mean time before failure, which is the time between equipment failures, which will help us decide whether new production equipment is required or not. It will allow us to make on-the-fly adjustments to our production schedule, allowing us to make more product or allowing us to understand why not as much product was made that was meant to be. All of this data is displayed on screens throughout the bakery. It allows our staff to understand forecasted completion time, how long they've got to go on a job, and how they're performing with that job. The vision scanners actually capture data. They allow us to understand the percentage of waste, what that waste was, whether it's holes in the tortillas, whether it's product size out of specification, whether it's colours mixed through. This allows us to launch continuous improvement projects and understand what needs to be done to reduce waste on the plant.
So this is a second vision system that utilises Industry 4.0 technology. Before we had this, the operators used to have to do this by hand and by eye. They used to have to use a ruler to calculate the average diameter of a tortilla. Now we're calculating every single tortilla that's going through the plant and we're using that information to launch continuous improvement projects.
By installing vision cameras, we've reduced human error and we've improved on consistency. We recommend anyone interested in Industry 4.0 technology reaches out to Callaghan Innovation. Their workshops cover in high detail about Industry 4.0 and how it can benefit your business. Industry 4.0 is still very new to us. We're still learning a lot about it, but the business has gone to great lengths to ensure that we research this and we're able to get a better understanding of what's available out there. With the rollout of Industry 4.0 technology for the plant, it has allowed the workers to better understand how their plant's performing, how they're performing, and it just generally allows them to do their job better and easier. As the business is in a growth phase, rolling out this Industry 4.0 technology has been widely accepted by the staff. It has allowed us to reduce the amount of pressure while improving on the product quality.